Hello student, today we want to start standard integrals. There is few formulas for these standard integrals. Integration of 1 by root over of a square minus x square dx is sine inverse x by a. Integration 1 by x square plus a square dx equals to 1 by a tan inverse x by a plus c 1 by x root over of x square minus a square dx equals to 1 by a inverse x by a plus c. Another one, 1 by root over of x square plus a square, x square plus a square dx equals to log of mod x plus root over of x square plus a square plus c 1 by root over of x square minus a square dx equals to log of mod x minus root over of x square plus a square plus c. This and this 1 by root over of x square plus a square dx log x plus root over of x square plus a square. In case of minus, this here should be minus. Okay, now let us start few sums from here. I am keeping this formula, it will help. Integration of dx over root over of 36 x square minus 25 dx. We can write dx 36 common, root over of 36 common, x square minus 5 by 6 a whole square. 36 coming outside, that will be 1 by 6 taking common. Now look, 1 by 6 outside of dx x square minus this will is a root over of x square minus a square root over of 1 by x square with this formula, that is 1 by 6 log of mod x minus root over of x square minus a square means this 25 by 36 plus c, that is where c is arbitrary constant. Next one, keeping this formula, this will help me. Next, sum number 2. Integration of 2x square plus 1 over 9x square plus 5. 9x square plus 5. Now you have to divide this. 9x square plus 5, 2x square plus 1. This should be 2 by 9. Division. This into this 2x square plus 10 by 9. 5 2s are 10 by 9. Cancel. That is minus 10 by 9 over 9x square plus 5. So this is your division value. So we have to take integration 2 by 9 dx minus 10 by 9 integration 1 by, here should be 2x square 9. There should be 9 common, that is x square plus 5 by 9. So square 9 will go outside of the square, that is 3. Root over of x square plus root 5 by 3a whole square dx. So 2 by 9 this integration x minus 10 by 9 into 3, 27, 3 coming out, 27. So integration 1 by x square plus a square, this formula, log of mod x plus root over of x square plus a square means 5 by 9 plus c. sorry, this should be this is not under square. This is 9x square plus 5. 10 by 9 outside, 1 by 9x square. 9 is common. X square plus root 5 by 3a whole square. This is wrong. This is 10 by 9. 1 by 9 x square 9 is common. That is 10 by 81. Integration of 1 by this dx, that is x square plus a square root 5 by 3. 1 by a tan inverse x by a, that is 1 by root 5 by 3. 3 will go up. 1 by a tan inverse x by root 5 root 3 root 5 by 3 will go up, plus c, that is 327, that is 2 by 9x minus 10 by 27 root 5 tan inverse 3x by root 5 plus c. That is the answer. Tan inverse 3x by root 5 plus t, 27 root 5. That is 27 root 5. Okay, ठीक. Now next sum. Sum number 3. Integration square root of 1 minus x by 1 plus x dx. Then now you have to rationalize 1 minus x dx. That is 1 minus whole square, that is 1 minus x by square root of 1 minus x square. A plus b, a minus b formula. And now split up this. And then 1 by this minus this by this. That is integration 1 by root over 1 minus x square dx minus x by root over 1 minus x square dx. Integration 1 by 1 minus x square, 1 by root over of a square versus sin inverse x, that is only sin inverse x, minus. Now 1 minus x square, 1 minus x square as z square, that is minus 2x dx equals to 2z dz, that is minus x dx, minus x dx is dx, that take is plus, minus x dx is integration z dz, and this is z square, that means z, that is sin inverse x plus z cancel, dz means only z, z means root over of 1 minus x square plus c. That is answer. Sum number 4. Integration 1 by x root over of x plus a root over of x plus a by x minus a dx. Now similarly, just like previous sum, rationalizing, that is x plus a multiply numerator and denominator, that is integration 1 by x, this is whole square, that is x plus a by square root of x square minus a square. Now dx, this by this plus this by this, that is integration 1 by x into x root over of x square minus a square dx plus 1 by x, a is outside, 1 by x root over of x square minus a square dx. X cancel, 1 by x square minus a square, 1 by x square minus a square, 1 by root over of x square minus a square, that is log of mod x minus root over of x square minus a square. This should be x square minus a square. One second. Yes. x square minus a square, log x square minus a square. Integration of this 1 by x square minus a square, log x minus root over of x square minus a square into a, look, 1 by x root over of x square minus a square, 1 by this 1 by a sec inverse x by a plus c, a cancel, that is answer. Next, sum number 5. Integration 16x square minus 9 whole to the power minus half. Power minus half means 1 by root over of this dx. Power half means this come down, 1 by root over of this. That is integration 1 by root over of 16 is common, x square minus 3 by 4 whole square, 16 coming square root outside of the square root, that is 1 by 4 dx, that is 1 by 4 x square minus a square, x square minus a square, this formula, log of mod x minus root over of x square minus 9 by 16 plus c. This is the integration of this sum. Integration x square plus 3 x to the power 4 plus 3 over x square plus 1 dx. You have to do division of this, x square plus 1 x to the power 4 plus 3, here is x square, that is x to the power 4 plus x square, that is minus x square plus 3, here is minus 1, that is minus x square minus 3, minus 1, that is 4. Your division value is x square minus 1 plus 4 over x square plus 1 dx. Integration of this. Plus this. So division of x square, integration is x cube by 3 minus 1 dx is x plus 4. This is x square plus a square, that is 1 by a tan inverse x. That is 4 into tan inverse x plus c, that is integral value. Okay, this is the standard integral. Now next we shall start another chapter, another type of integration. Okay.